Are you a beginner in crypto investment? Don't worry, you have landed in the right video, so let's begin. Educate yourself. Start by understanding what cryptocurrencies are, how they work, and the technology behind them, particularly blockchain. Read books, articles, and watch videos to build your knowledge. Choose the right exchange. Select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Some popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Ensure the exchange is secure and user-friendly. Secure your investments. Use hardware wallets or secure software wallets to store your cryptocurrencies. Never keep large amounts on exchanges as they can be vulnerable to hacks. Diversify. Don't put all your money into a single cryptocurrency. Diversify your investments across different assets to spread risk. Bitcoin and Ethereum are good starting points, but research other promising projects. Risk management. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile, so set a budget and stick to it. Avoid investing borrowed money. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency space. Market sentiment can change rapidly based on news, so staying informed is crucial. Long-term Bs. Short-term. Decide if you're a long-term or short-term investor. Long-term investors typically hold assets for years, while short-term traders aim to profit from price fluctuations. Your strategy should align with your goals. Avoid FOMO and panic. Don't succumb to fear of missing out, FOMO, or panic selling. Stick to your investment plan and avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions. Use dollar cost averaging, DK. Instead of investing a lump sum, consider DK. This involves regularly buying a fixed amount of cryptocurrency regardless of price fluctuations. It can help reduce the impact of market volatility. Security. Enable two-factor authentication, TUFO, on your exchange and wallet accounts. Be cautious of phishing scams and fraudulent schemes. Tax considerations. Understand the tax implications of cryptocurrency investments in your country. Keep records of your transactions for tax purposes. Legal compliance. Ensure you're complying with the relevant financial regulations and reporting requirements in your jurisdiction. Seek advice. If unsure, consider consulting with a financial advisor or tax professional who understands cryptocurrency investments. Be patient. Cryptocurrency markets can be highly unpredictable. Patience is key, and it's essential to have a long-term perspective. Learn from mistakes. You may make mistakes along the way. Use them as learning opportunities and continuously refine your investment strategy. Remember that investing in cryptocurrencies carries risks, and there are no guarantees of profit. Always do your research and invest responsibly.